Asteroids. Asteroids are debris of irregular shaped rocks of the solar system. So for example, planets का shape spherical है या geoid है, but asteroids proper shape के नहीं होते. Asteroids are debris means pieces of rocks or metals. So asteroids are pieces of irregular shaped rocks of the solar system. Like planets, asteroids revolve around the sun. They form a belt. The inner planets and the outer planets are separated by the asteroid belt. So most of the asteroids are found between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. The asteroids take 3 to 6 years to complete one orbit around the sun. Asteroids को sun के around revolve करने में 3 to 6 years लगते हैं. Asteroids are not bigger than planets. Asteroids planet की size के या planet से बड़े नहीं होते. So they are also called minor planets, planetoids or dwarf planets. Now sometimes asteroids are attracted by the gravitational pull of the planets and become their satellites or moons. Means planets के gravitational pull की वजह से asteroids attract होते हैं planets की तरफ और planets के around revolve करने लगते हैं and thus they become the planets, satellites or moons. Because of the gravitational pull, Mars has got two satellites, Deimos and Phobos. Meteoroid. Meteoroids are small pieces of rocks and metal. They are smaller than the asteroids. When one asteroid smashes into another means जब दो asteroids टकराते हैं तब asteroid के pieces हो जाते हैं and those pieces are called meteoroids. Like planets and asteroids, meteoroids also move around the sun. They are found in the interplanetary space. Means दो planets के बीच में जो space होती है, there you can find meteoroids. Now what are meteors? We already know that the earth has an atmospheric shield around it. So because of the atmospheric shield of the earth, not all meteoroid can enter the earth's atmosphere. But some meteoroids enter the earth's atmosphere with great speed. And when the meteoroid enters the earth's atmosphere, meteoroid जब earth के atmosphere में enter करता है तब atmosphere के different layers से टकराता है और heat होने लगता है and because of the heat it burns and starts shining. So जो meteoroid earth के atmosphere में enter करते हैं they are called meteors. We think the meteors are shooting stars, but they are not shooting stars. They are just burning meteors. कुछ meteors earth पे गिरते नहीं है, वो atmosphere में ही burn हो जाते हैं. But वो meteors जो earth पे गिरते हैं, meteors which fall on the earth are called meteorites. When it falls on the earth, it creates large craters. Comets. Comets are also made up of rocks and metals, but they are covered with ice particles. Comets भी rocks and metals से बने होते हैं, but they are covered with ice. Comets also revolve around the sun. Now as the comet is covered with ice, so जब comet sun के नजदीक से पास होता है, it starts heating up and because of the heat, the solid ice turns into gaseous state and it appears to shine. Now जो solar winds होंगी, sun की hot winds, because of that wind, comet के dust और gases push होंगे and एक dust and gases का tail जैसा form हो जाता है, एक पूंछ जैसा. The tail may be as long as 250 million kilometers. The most famous comet, the Halley's Comet, is seen from the Earth every 75 to 76 years. Means हर 75-76 years के बाद Halley's Comet दिखाई देता है. It was last seen in 1986 and again maybe we can see it in 2061. The Halley's Comet was named after Sir Edmund Halley. Sir Edmund Halley discovered the comet in the 17th century.